I'm participating in Neptune at the gas hydrate sites. Gas hydrates are methane in form of ice. They look like snow, basically. They form, in that case, close to the sediment surface under specific temperature and pressure conditions. It's a huge, compact energy source, which is of great interest to both climate investigators and also the energy companies. People think that they might contain more energy, more fossil fuel energy, than all the other fossil fuel sources on land. For us, it's very important to see whether there's an effect of climate change, slowly increasing bottom water temperatures, on the release of methane. It's very important to understand the behavior of gas hydrates under different temperature conditions, because if you slowly increase bottom water temperature of Canada, that kind of sudden release of methane from these gas hydrates could occur. That's one thing. It's interesting to find out whether small seismic events or larger seismic events, small earthquakes, have an effect on methane release. Or maybe it's possible that we can detect an upcoming earthquake because before it happens, slowly or just short before it happens, more methane is suddenly released and we don't know why. It happened before, about 8,000 years ago, after the last glacial time, one instability occurred in northern European waters around Norway. You can imagine that when there's, like you have snow in the sediments and suddenly all the snow is gone. That would mean the sediment sits on nothing. And that as a result of that, the sediment can suddenly slide down the continental margin and like creating an avalanche. And that affects, if it's on large scale, this avalanche can then create a tsunami wave. And that's what probably happened at that time. And that tsunami caused a wave which was more than 30 meters high at the Norwegian coastline. And most probably the gas hydrates were the reason for that. Because of global change, the bottom water temperature slowly starts to rise. So we must be careful. We don't know yet what can happen, but we definitely know that it can happen again.